My husband came to me a little over 10 years ago and said, I have an idea. And I thought, oh, this isn't gonna be good. And then he brought in our business partner, Neil, and my parents, and we sat down on their back porch, and then we created Advanced Welding. And we grew fast enough to where we had to move out of our old shop and into this one.
We did probably our first 6 months, we were 5 people, and then we grew. Now we bounce around between 20 and 30. You know, I like the challenge of working with all the different architects, engineers. I really love customer relations. COVID had a major impact, because almost overnight contracts didn't so much get canceled, but they got put on hold. We did lose a few contracts that have not come back.
One day we were having an extremely bad time with the institution that we were with, and the representative gave us quite a few incentives to jump on board with credit union, and we did. And every time that I had emailed him, the representative came back very quickly, even if it was after hours. I was not expecting them to get back to me. I was just checking off my to-do list, and they still got back to me.
It has reminded me of how nice it is to work with local people. It really has. The customer service, he answers my questions, and I find out he's on vacation when he does it. I thought we would sacrifice some of the benefits of the major banks, but we have not yet.
Our experience with Florida Credit Union has been wonderful. Anytime that you need them, they are more than willing to help you in any aspect.
Florida Credit Union puts my trust back into banking again. They really do. It's hard to put into words. And you know, we've only been with them for a year. I can't wait till we've been with them for 10 years, what it's going to be like. Because just this first year has been well worth the switch. And that's not easy for this company to do, the switch, primarily because we're pretty loyal to people. So we are very proud to be loyal to Florida Credit Union now.